If your diesel truck is feeling sluggish or your exhaust filter is not cleaning itself like it used to, you might have a hidden problem in your air intake system. The code P02E8 indicates that the diesel intake air flow position sensor circuit is reading too low. This sensor is a critical part of how your truck breathes, and it tells the powertrain control module exactly how much fresh air is coming into the intake manifold. The computer needs this data to balance the fresh air with the recirculated exhaust gases from the exhaust gas recirculation system. If this signal stays below 0.3 volts for too long, the computer assumes there is an electrical fault. You will likely see the check engine light come on, and you might notice a rough idle. The biggest danger here is for your diesel particulate filter. If the computer does not know the airflow, it might stop the regeneration process, which means soot will build up until your exhaust is completely plugged. This can turn a simple sensor fix into a multi-thousand-dollar repair. Common causes include a short to ground in the wiring or a failed sensor. To troubleshoot this, find the sensor near the throttle body or intake tube and look for any frayed wires or melted connectors. Unplug it and check the terminals for green corrosion. If everything looks clean, use a digital voltmeter to check for a 5-volt reference signal from the computer with the key on and the engine off. If you have 5 volts, but the code persists, the sensor is likely dead. This is usually an electrical issue, so the computer can often compensate enough to keep you driving, but you should not wait. If you are not familiar with testing circuits, or if the code keeps coming back after a reset, it is time to visit a diesel specialist. Getting this fixed early keeps your exhaust system clean and your truck running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. That is it for today. Stay safe and keep those engines running smooth.